Welcome everyone to another episode of The Average Desi Joe, bringing you tips, tricks, and reviews. And today we're going to be talking about how to take out the old GE RPWFE water filter and put in this new one that I've just bought online. This is the exact replica. So when we bought this GE profile fridge, we didn't realize that we had to do this replacement every few months, or every 6 months. So it's so, we have to keep on buying these water filters every 6 months, replacing it. It's a pet peeve of mine. Not only is it a pet peeve, but also not just buying it, but also replacing this. So it has always been a very overwhelming process. So I just wanted to show you how to make it easy, because their instructions are terrible, and you have to watch a YouTube video to figure out what is an easy way. Now, if you can see, there is a front sticker on it. You simply pull out the old one and you pull it out. So it takes a bit of force. It's a bit overwhelming the first time. It definitely was for me. Now, the difference between the old one and the new one is that the old one's heavier, so it just feels like there's some liquidy stuff, water in there that it's been filtering. And here we have the new one. So again, the good thing is the new one comes with the similar label. You see the front here and you see the back here. Now, one thing I haven't seen in a lot of the YouTube videos, let me just back this up, is you'll see this edging right here. There's this unique edging, and you just have to make sure that this edging lines up to this gray piece right back there, if you can see it. Now, because if you don't, then you can keep on pushing it and it won't go in, and it is a very frustrating process. So once again, you have the front and you have the back, and you find that weird edging. See, the edging's right here, so hard with one hand. And since this is a gray backing, you don't have to twist it, you just have to push it in. You find the back, so that says front, and once it is in and your edging is in, you just push it in and then simply slide it back in and close the hatch. So it is actually as simple as that. The first time it may seem a little overwhelming. There is some water just because I had actually put it in and then taken it out and put it back in again. But usually there will not be any water leaking. It should just go straight in. But it's simple as that. So there you have it, folks. And once you have it in there, they recommend taking a jug or something and simply, filling it up a couple of times, making sure all the bad stuff's out from there. There might be a few times that it'll spit out some water. There'll be some black gunk coming out. I've already done this once, so it might not look that bad right now. But anyways, hopefully this makes life easier for everybody on how to change the RPWFE water filter for a GE profile fridge, or whichever other ones it gets used in. Anyways, like and subscribe, and hope you have a great day.